In the midst of chaos, there's also opportunity. Sun Tzu, the art of war. No matter how much is going on in your life or what's going on in the world, there's always an opportunity to better yourself. Just because so-and-so war is going on or so-and-so is happening in your life does not mean that you can't contribute to greatness. That is why, despite my own personal addiction, which could be considered as chaos, I am still working on and developing an app that will solve the world's addiction. Today is day 5 and it has been exactly 5 days since my last relapse. And from this, I have learned that despite it is currently 12:10 and I really need to sleep, there's always time to learn and work on what you desire and what you're passionate about. So let's get right back to learning Dart, the programming language I plan to use for said app. My first program was pretty simple math that I might actually use in my app, adding 1 to the number of days since your last relapse, and then after that subtracting from a set number of XP that you begin with. And we can see the 5 days we started with increased to 6 days, hopefully foreshadowing for tomorrow. And the 500 XP we started with subtracted by 150 went down to 350. And my next program checks the variable type of a variable. In this program, days is set to number 5, and we're checking if it's an integer or if it's a string of words. And we can see it return true for the integer and false for the string. Our last program imposes a number onto a previously existing variable. So if a user starts with 500 XP, and they go to the gym granting them 200 XP, the user XP should now be 700. And when we print it out, we can see their total XP is indeed 700, and that value is imposed on that XP variable. I want to let you guys know that ever since my last relapse and ever since my withdrawal symptoms, I've been feeling a lot better, and I haven't had those withdrawal symptoms as much anymore thanks to you guys. You guys held me accountable. You guys are the reason that I'm able to continue going, and because of your continued support. I want to thank you guys again, and I hope you can continue following along my journey until we can finish this app. And until next time, see ya.